Hi friends, welcome to the Win channel. Today we are going to learn a new word. The new word is dashcam. It is a noun. The meaning of the word dashcam is a video camera mounted on the dashboard or windscreen of a vehicle and used to continuously record the view of the road, traffic, etc. through the windscreen. Example sentences: dashcam footage is likely to be released by the police today. There are two example sentences. I told first example sentence. The another one is they were filmed on dashcam chatting before the unmarked bikes struck. Thank you for watching this video, friends. Please like this video, comment, subscribe and press the bell button. Share my video and thank you. Bye.